I think anthropology is the most fascinating field of study because it actually challenges you to rethink your premises. It challenges you to rethink who you are, what you are, and the way you are part of larger groups.
Anthropology in Leiden really enables you to become a good researcher. So research practice is a very important part of our program. So even in the first year you start actually doing research. You'll be trained to give interviews, you'll be trained to do participant observation, and that research practice is really elaborated within the 3 years of the bachelor.
We're doing research in a nunnery. We experience their whole life. We try to do what they do, so we work in the kitchen, we work in their hostie bakery, and we also do interviews for our research.
One of the great things about anthropology is that just by immersing yourself in another environment and other people and observing and participating, you can really get to know them. And it's not something you get out of books or anywhere else, it's just living with the people.
Currently I'm conducting an internship here at the National Museum of World Cultures, and the things that I learned throughout my anthropological coursework really got me to have a better sense of contemporary issues such as the value of indigenous knowledge. So while that is very important for the work here at the museum, it is also important outside of this museum, for example in positions of policy making and NGOs.
So anthropology is quite a small-scale program, which means that there's a lot of personal attention. There's a lot of room for developing your own skills, not only between peers, but also in the relationship between you and the professor. So professors are quite easily approachable. We have enough room for small seminars. So the smaller scale of the program and the intensive relationship between professors and students, and also between peers, makes anthropology at Leiden a great place to study.